Yo. This is got some new needles here and stuff, and I'm gonna throw them on the 1200s. Got the original 500 statins. So I got a new needle replacement here, and I'm gonna throw them on and see what kind of sound we get. All right, check it out. And here you see blow out of focus, but there it is. These are the new replacement needles for the 500 statins. There. This is what we got. We got the diamond stereo stylus. Got the statin. So yeah, we're gonna throw these on the tables and see, check out the sounds that are coming from them. All right, check it out. All right, fam, might get a little shaky here. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand, but I'm just gonna pop this open right here. I'm gonna throw it on the vinyl right here real quick. We're gonna pop out this the stylus out of here. I'm gonna pop it out. I don't want to mess up the needle there, but there's the stylus right there. All right, fam, check it out. Just come over here. Take your needle off the deck. All right, this might get real tricky here. I'm gonna have to turn you off and turn you back on. Hold on one second. All right, there it is. Slid right on, no problem. Everything fits. Threw it on the original cartridge there, and we're gonna fire it up right here. There it is. That's the replacement for the original 500 statin cartridge. There it is. That's it. A little out of focus there. Right there. Alright. Peace.